I'll, I'll just briefly tell a short video on the immediate death factors which which can cause the death in corona. Point number one, the viral load. The higher the viral load, the higher the chance that the person is going to die. Now, how to reduce the viral load? If one person communicates with another person and both of them doesn't have mask, maximum viral transmission. Both of them have mask. Higher the quality of the mask, the lesser the viral transmission. If both of them have proper fitting, if it's properly fitted, lesser the viral load. Now, third point. Second point. Second most important cause of death is your own immune system. How reactive your immune system is. The more reactive your immune system is, more it produces phlegm, the more allergic it is, like asthma people and all, or more autoimmune tendency it is. So any immune system which is not balanced, either too low immunity or too much high immunity, that is autoimmune diseases. Both these people will have a dangerous consequence. A person having a real balanced immunity, the immune system will fight without much of a reaction, without much of a fuss. Even that person might be asymptomatic carrier. So that. Now the third point, comorbidities. The more comorbidities you have, the more chances that you're going to fail fighting corona. That will be heart disease, the diabetes, hypertension, BP, kidney diseases, and other diseases like autoimmune disease, low immunity, transplant, cancer patients, etc. So these comorbidities. Elderly people, children has lesser chances of corona infecting them and causing them unless they have comorbidities. So but children can transmit it to a lot of people because they don't wear the mask. So this is a brief thing. Pregnancy and lactation may be at a risk because they are at a low immunity stage, but pregnant people giving it to the newborn child during delivery may not happen. Postpartum time, they need to wear mask and they can continue breastfeeding the child. Now, how it is getting transmitted all over India? People are so lazy in India. See, 1.5 lakh people almost have got the disease, and they have got the disease. Initially you could have blamed on people coming from foreign, but now the local people, it's themselves are transmitting the disease because they don't wear the mask covering the nose. Proper tight fitted mask is a must. If you don't cover your nose, there is no point. Mask is not to show the police that you are wearing it. It is for your own protection, because the lesser the viral load, the more chance that you will make it. Mask doesn't give you 100% protection, but it will give you 98% protection. That's good enough. And people take a tablet of paracetamol and roam around in places. When people check their thermometer, they are having normal temperature. This is stupidity, because you might be falsely having a COVID positivity and you are fooling the government by taking paracetamol during your travel. Please don't do these things. This is not going to help you. It is not going to help the country. Every patient tested, government is spending 5,000 rupees for testing that person. So government is not going to test everybody, and they are not going to test unless it's having breathlessness or serious problems. So that's, since there are 50% asymptomatic cases, people need to be really careful. Take your precautions. Remember the causes why people don't make it. I'll repeat: high viral load, imbalanced immune system, and comorbidities. If these things are taken care of, you'll make it. Spread this message, share it, let everyone survive, let everyone be healthy, and everyone defeat corona. Take care, have a good day.